Hey guys, welcome back. We're still in 8.1. All I have here is types and numbers of solutions. This corresponds to one of your Khan Academy assignments. Some of you have already written this up. I think 6th period, you were the only ones that haven't. Again, it's on eCampus, so you don't have to write it down really fast right now. Just pay attention. When you're doing graphing and you're doing systems of equations, you have 3 types of graphs. You have 2 lines that intersect, you have 2 lines that coincide or overlap, and or you have 2 lines that are parallel. Those are the only 3 options you have. They intersect, they overlap, or they're parallel, okay? Intersections. When you have 2 lines that intersect, they can only intersect in one point, okay? When you have 2 lines that overlap each other, all of the points, okay? Every single one that's on this line is on this line if they overlap, okay? Here, you have no points of intersection because the whole reason for solving a system is to find where they intersect. If you have parallel lines, they don't intersect, so you have no points, okay? The slopes are not as important. However, sometimes you don't even need to graph it. You can just look at the slopes to tell what kind of a solution they are. The slopes are not equal. They will probably intersect somewhere, okay? If the slopes are equal, you just need to figure out if it's the same line or if they're parallel lines. Parallel lines will have the same slope, but a different y-intercept. Coinciding lines will have the same slope and the same y-intercept. So sometimes you don't even need to do it graphically. You can just look at the slopes, okay? The number of solutions is going to help you out a little bit. This is why I have these boxed off. These are your answers. If you have a system that intersects in one point, you only have one answer. It's an XY ordered pair. If you have coinciding lines, your answer is infinitely many. And if you have 2 parallel lines, your answer is no solution. This is what I want to see, or what Khan Academy is looking for when you're doing your assignments, okay? The next assignment in Khan Academy has to do with the types of systems, okay? There is consistent and inconsistent. If it has at least one point of a solution, one solution here, all solutions here, these are consistent. If they don't have any solutions, they are inconsistent. Just think of what the word means itself and then apply it to the picture. Okay, then we also have dependent and independent. If you have one solution, it's independent. If you have all solutions, it's dependent. And the fun way I have to remember this is this. Everyone sitting in this classroom is dependent on their parents. They live in the same household. They overlap. You are dependent on your parents. If, however, you go off to college next year, seniors, and you are now independent, you are living all by your lonesome in your own little place. Hallelujah, thank God. But you are now independent. You're also responsible for all your food, water, phone, etc., etc. So it's an easy way to remember. Right now you are dependent. You're living in the same house, 2 lines overlapping. When you go off to college, you are now independent and you are all alone, okay? See you on the next video.